What do you think? Yeah, we could do something else. Do you want to read a book? Read a snack? Yeah. We could do both. Is it a problem that it's raining? Yeah, we can go outside soon when it stops raining. No chewing on that. Aren't you no more rain dance? Yeah? What do you think about the rain? Is it raining out? Yeah, it's raining out there, honey. Do you want to go outside? You can't go outside when it's raining. You'll get wet. Yeah, you'll get wet. How about a buck, buck, buck? Can I get a buck, buck, buck? Are you awesome? Hi, Max. What do you think? Is it raining outside? Is it raining? Are you watching the rain? I know you'd like to go out, but it's raining. Might be nicer tomorrow. Do you think it might stop raining tomorrow? Get the sun to come out so you can go for a walk? You don't know? No chewing on that. It's unfair. The rain is unfair. No, we can't go outside. It's raining. It's raining outside. You know what's good about the rain, Max? When it's raining, there's no smoke in the air. It's good for the grass and the flowers. You see your flowers outside? Yeah? No? Oh, no, we're not going to look. Look at the flowers.